First of all, left of the car, and they drain the differential fluid. There's the differential fluid plug. And on the passenger side, at top of the axle, you have to refill from the breather hole. So there's the breather plug, remove the breather plug and refill from there. So there's 2 more plugs. Don't touch them, they are from something else. So just refill from the breather hole. So how much you gonna refill it? Keep refilling until you will see dripping from. There is one more plug under the car. I will show you the other plug beside the drain plug. The other plug is there. So there's the plug. Remove that plug and refill the oil from top, from the breather hole. Keep refilling until dripping from that plug. Once you see the oil is dripping from the other plug, that means you no need to refill more. You good to go. Close it, and that's everything.